welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a cute little pet tag with my pet. There she is over there. She's playing, rolling around right now. But I saw this on another channel and I thought I would try it. I think it's really cute and fun, and it gives you a little bit more insight about me and about my baby. So let's just jump right into it. So the first question is, what's your pet's name? Her name, I'm gonna keep like going back and forth so you guys can see her. She's literally in the back. Her name is Nyla. Nyla Star Alexander, if you want her full name. Second question, what kind of pet is it and what breed? So she's a dog, obviously, a puppy, and she's a full breed German Shepherd. She's having the time of her life right now. The third question, how long have you had your pet friend? I've had Nyla now so we got her in is it December or January? I think we got her in January, and it's March now, so we've had her for maybe 3 or 4 months now. How did you get your pet? Okay, so I'm trying to show you guys her in the video at the same time while I talk. So if you saw my last story, my last story time, my roommate story time, she was a present from my roommate. She got her for me from Vermont. Okay, how old is your pet? My baby is 4 months old. She's getting so big. Oh, she just kicked me. Rude. What is your favorite memory with your pet? My favorite memory with Nyla, I guess. I think I'm gonna count yesterday. I know it's a recent memory, but yesterday, because we went for a walk around Legacy Place, which is outdoor plaza type mall, and she was wearing her matching collar and harness, and she looked so cute, and everybody was complimenting her, and she actually did really good at not barking at people. When I take her for walks, sometimes she tends to bark, but she was actually really good that day. What are some quirky things about your pet's personality? Quirky, I would say with Nyla, she is a little bit of a drama queen. Like, she literally complains for everything and anything she does. If she doesn't like something, she makes it very clear she doesn't like it. Or if she's bored, sometimes she'll sit there and just like whine because she's bored. So I think that's pretty quirky that she does. She's pretty dramatic. What does your relationship with your pet mean to you? My relationship with Nyla literally means the world to me. Like, she's literally my baby. I do everything for her. I take care of her. Like, she's like my child. I just want the best for her, and I just want her to be happy. What are some of your favorite pastimes with your pet? Okay, my favorite pastime with Nyla is when it's probably early in the morning after I've taken her out and she's had breakfast. We'll come back to my room, and I'll go on my phone or just watch Netflix or watch TV, and she'll like come like lie either right beside me or on my bed, and she'll be like entertaining herself with one of her toys or her chewing treats I've given her, and we're both just, I call that our chill time. Like, it's like as soon as we come upstairs, she knows it's our chill time. So I treasure our chill time because she gets to be very hyper sometimes. Okay, and last question. What nicknames you call your pet? Nyla has a couple nicknames. We'll call her Nyla Bear. My favorite nickname that we ultimately call her, all me and my sisters, is Chicken! Chicken! Hey, Chicken! Hi! She knows her name is Chicken. That's her nickname. That's an insider of why we call her Chicken. Okay, guys, that was all the questions. I hope you enjoyed this short, quick video. I'm so sorry I keep moving around a lot. I just really want to get Nyla in the shot as well. Anything you want to say, Chicken? Hmm? Hmm? Nothing? She's very sweet, too. Okay, I will catch you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye, chicken. No, don't chew my sweater.